The Passenger Transport Subsidy Scheme, or PTSS, is the digital system that replaces the Taxi User Subsidy Scheme, or TUS. PTSS supports people with disability to have more transport options by subsidising part of the cost of your taxi journey. As a participant, you will receive a PTSS card to access your subsidy when travelling in a taxi. Your PTSS card replaces TUS vouchers. If you get a standard 50% subsidy, your PTSS card will be yellow. If you get a wheelchair subsidy of 50% or 75%, your PTSS card will be purple. If you had a green TUS card and vouchers, you will have a purple PTSS card with the same subsidy amount you previously received. Your PTSS card will include your name, your participant number, a card number, a photo of you, what type of subsidy you get, and an expiry date. To support people with vision accessibility needs, your PTSS card will also include the letters PTSS in Braille on the front and a cutout on the side. By using your PTSS card, you agree to follow the conditions of use outlined in the PTSS Guidelines for Participants, available on the Department of Transport website. For more information, visit transport.wa.gov.au/PTSS.